Hi, even though that was not 20 minutes. Hi, I'm back. Chainsaw. Ooh, chainsaw. Let's do a chest. You know that game everyone's been talking about? Let's try it.
What do you think to look in there? Smiley face?
Back. Fake chainsaw. From the dollar store. Button pushes it. Handle doesn't move. This is to protect you from this, like a real chainsaw.
I'm not exactly alike.
Double batteries. I have no clue because it came with them. Tickles. Yeah. Very cool. Now you get to see it and like making actual noise. Yeah, dollar store item. I will be picklocking these and breaking out of this one. This one. Can't figure out how to get out of this one, but yeah, I can get out of this one. Oh yeah, before that, new fidget spinner. It's white.
Okay. The picture of that place. Wow. I'm
gonna break out of this one. This one is impossible without this. I'm going to break out of this without using any tools besides my hands. And I will not be pushing this button. You will be seeing me not pushing that button. I have to push it forward to like lock it though.
Devin?
Now.
If you would have seen this girl walk down the street, you would never think that was her place.
Get it?
Oh my God.
Now, why did I just take that off?
I was cleaning up the refrigerator and Craig never told me. I said, boy, they were fucking pigs. She was standing right behind me.
Back rocking time.
When I said it, she goes, she turns up something, she goes, thank you. I buried my head in the refrigerator and didn't say another fucking word.
Is this girlfriend?
That one's off. That one's the easiest. This one's the hardest.
It was the pickup was everywhere.
Oh.
Oh, it's actually kind of tight. I don't know why I put this on too
tight.
tight.
They were fucking pigs.
I actually put this on too tight.
He goes, oh,
I don't know why I put this on too tight. It's kind of funny.
My head in the refrigerator and never took it out until she left. Oh, I was so embarrassed. Calling her a pig and looking at her.
Got out. That's all from the handcuffs today. I know you guys want to see.
You're a pig first. You're a fucking girl. Just a brute to you. Oh, no, right here. Not nice, dude. I am not kidding you, dude. I told Craig, I didn't even do it in front of you. It wouldn't bother me a bit.
He's back.
Get him in here and fucking...
Want to go eat your food?
Okay. I went to school. Then I had to go to drive down to Nova. And then I walked here.
That's all I have.
You weren't here, so I walked around town.
Follow me.
I walked around town again.
See you guys in a minute.
Then I St. Albans, walked around St. Albans.
This is the kitchen's the only place with good lighting. Sorry.
We're upstairs.
You
might as well go up in there. We're going up.
I'm on the YouTube thing right now.
Go on up, Mark.
Hey guys, I have to go. See you guys later.
Take your stuff up there. Put it in the building if you want.
Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Please. Goodbye. I know, it's really bad lighting. I look orange, don't I?